Okay, grand rising on this beautiful Shabbat. So I am going to do a house tour for you all. Yes, I inherited this house from my grandparents and from the Most High. So yes, all praise to the Most High and Shabbat Shalom on this beautiful what? Shabbat. So let's take a look. Okay, so this is some new decor that I put up since I've been back to Florida, relocating from Tuskegee, Alabama, where I work at the Department of Veteran Affairs, Veteran Health Administration. So I was gone for at least 5 years. I get a phone call from my sister-in-law that my brother and my mom was destroying my house. So I came home to a destroyed house. So I did everything I could to make it look a whole lot better. And I have made some good improvements, okay? I have my designer wall decor. I just added those shelves. I love that. Now, yes, we're actually going to tear down this house and rebuild it and bring it up to date. Yes, okay? And those pictures there, those glam pictures, I got those photos from none other than Amazon. They come in a set of 4. So there's one there. Okay, so you can see outside there. I'll take y'all outside to my fresh lawn. You can see a little bit of it there. Now here is, I purchased this lamp. I got this lamp from Walmart. There's some of my designer wall decor. Again, I got that from Amazon. The lights I got from Walmart. Here's some more. And this is our chic Babes and Fur Baby Boutique VIP lounge. Yes, yes it is. And there it is. Yes. So there's some more chic wall decor. Here we have Miss Coco. Yes, so we're gonna be redoing everything. We're gonna be pulling up the carpet. Y'all look at Coco. Chic Fur Baby Coco. Hey boo boo. We got her. Yeah, she had a long morning walk. So she's relaxing on this beautiful Shabbat. And yes, now that basket with the throw, we got that from none other than Home Goods. Y'all know I love Home Goods. I love Home Goods. Now, yes, that's my Chic Babes weekender, and I will be doing a video on that. And I bought this stand. This is actually a laptop bed stand, so you can sit in bed and do your work. But I decided to put it in here so I could put all of these objects on something. Yes. Okay, this is my office. I love to have positive affirmations around. Now that's a wall shelf there, so I put my keyboard in there. I found those on Amazon. There's one of my wall keyboards there. That's the one that came from Apple. Okay. And that's me graduating from Bethune-Cookman College. And here are my degrees. That's my master's from Clark Atlanta University, Bethune-Cookman College, social work license, United States Army. Yes. Positive, more positive affirmations. Stay focused. Live life in full bloom. Absolutely. So we're gonna go walk through. Okay. Yes, I got that from Ross. Okay, I had to turn on some lights so y'all could see. So yes, I had to get a pooch. I love wall decor. My grandparents, they paid cash money for this house. And I am blessed by the Most High and them to inherit it. Yep, cash money. So all I have to do is enjoy. So when someone asks me what I'm doing for the day, enjoying my house. Okay. Here is some more wall decor. I love wall decor. Luxury, high-end wall decor. We have Chanel. Okay. This is one of my bathrooms. This is one of them. Now I did this shelf, and I really dig it. I really love this shelf. I bought these shelves, like I say, from Amazon. So y'all can get these shelves from Amazon. And I'm glad I did, because that way you don't have to put so much stuff on your bathroom sink. Okay, so y'all know I do my skincare routine. So I put all my skincare, items on shelves. Okay, so here's a little shot of the bedroom. I'm doing some designing. Y'all know I love my pink. I just got that. I have the entire pink satin set, but y'all know satin can get warm during the summer, so I mixed it with a little cotton. Okay, and I have my pink curtains, and those are my beautiful palm trees. I'm going to take y'all out so y'all can see that. And there's my iPad. Y'all, my iPad went out on me. I have to get another one. Y'all look, okay. And I really love those wall shelves with my handbags. Okay, so in my master bedroom, I have a huge walk-in shower. Okay, and this, I love the shower curtain. This is a perfume bottle shower curtain. I purchased this from Amazon. Yes, and y'all see my pink there. And I just love this. I purchased this from Home Goods. Okay, that's a put your laundry hamper. Okay, I love it. And I got my pink, y'all see my pink trash bags. Y'all know I'm a pink girl. Okay, yes, this is my beautiful backyard. I just had my lawn cut. I make sure I keep my grass cut, y'all. Every 2 weeks I get this grass cut. We don't do high grass. We don't do that. So yes. Now that is where my grandparents had the pool. So we're gonna take that part down, and we're gonna actually connect the pool to the patio and have it all covered and closed in. That way we won't be out in the sun enjoying the pool. We can enjoy the pool in the shade. Yes. And yes, this is my patio. I keep it nice and clean, y'all. I'll keep it nice and clean. I have to clean over there a little bit, but yeah. I got to water I tried to revive my plants, y'all, but oh well. Okay, so I got that chair from none other than Lowe's. Y'all know I be in Lowe's. I got the footstool in Lowe's, and I got that table from Walmart. I love being out. The weather is not bad. It's not bad today. Well, it's not bad right now out here on the patio, but if I was like out like in the front yard, I would be burning up. We are going to step out there for a minute. But yes, and that right there is an actual grapevine. Yes, it is. I haven't even been out in the backyard that much, because when I let Coco loose, she likes to get into stuff she don't got no business in his backyard. But yes, that's a grapevine right there, y'all. That's a grapevine. I wish I never had to relocate to Alabama, because the things that happened to my house, it would have never happened. But all glory to the Most High, I'm back. And we're working with what we got, and we're back. Yeah. So now we're going to take a look. We're going to go into the front. Okay, so here's my beautiful front yard. So we just had the yard cut. When did we cut it? Yesterday. No, 2 days ago. Yeah, 2 days ago. Yeah. And this is a busy street. Busy street. I wanted to keep those. Now that right there, and that one right there, those are sago palms. And I like to keep them cut down because we're here in Florida. And I tell you, a snake can crawl up in any of them. So yes, I had him to cut them things all the way down. And I had him to trim this. Okay. I think they got the bud. Okay, and then here's my beautiful palms, y'all. They are so tall, past the telephone post. Yeah. It's one of my whips right there. Okay, so let's go around the side here. Let's see. It is nice. Now this space right here, I love this because look at, I told you they'd be flying from here like it's the damn highway. Now this is some good shade, okay? I bring my chair out and I sit right there under all these palm trees. Yeah. Beautiful. Yes, I'm going to get that one cut down. That one right there. I guess to come back and trim that one and trim that one. And then again, I might just get my clippers and clip it myself, that one at least. And then again, I just wait until my lawn man come back around, because he comes every like 2 weeks. And it's not even that real hot out here. I guess I know it's definitely in the 80s, but it's not like in the scorching 90s. And we got some breeze. We got some nice breeze. And we are heading into September, as a matter of fact. In 2 weeks, we will be in September. Time is really flying, I tell you. Okay. So, Shabbat Shalom, and thanks for coming to my house tour.